Jackson, go get her. Where'd Alice go? Go get him. Jackson. Hey, what is it? Where is he? Where's your dog? Go find him. Go get him. Jackson. You see him over there? Oh, Jaxie. Where's Jackson? Jackson, go get her. Go get her. Go get her. Go get her.
Where's Daddy?
I don't know. Where is he? Call him. Come here, Jackson.
Maybe himself in the tree house.
Really? Oh, there he went. Hey, buddy.
Maybe
Jackson.